2.1 number 4 is going to be very similar to what you did in number 2. It says let f of x equal 1 over x minus 6 and g of x equal 2 over x plus 6. Then compose them with f of g and then g of f. But this one adds the added difficulty of the fact you have two rational functions in there. You've got the 1 over x minus 6 and you've got the 2 over x. So let's just kind of work through this and see what we can do. So the first thing we want to do is let's do f composed with g of x. And remember, the first letter is your template. The second letter is what you're going to be plugging in. So I'm going to look at my f function. That's 1 over something minus 6. That something I'm going to plug in is going to be my g, 2 over x plus 6. Then it's all about the cleanup and simplifying it. The plus 6 and minus 6 are going to cancel. So it gives me 1 over 2 over x. And then I'm going to think about how I work with fractions. This is 1 divided by 2 over x. You want to keep it, change it, flip it, or multiply by the reciprocal. So this would be 1. Keep it, change it to multiplication, flip the second. So that just gives us a value of x over 2. Now be careful, this plus 6 minus 6, these parentheses are containing what I plugged in, but are not changing any operations. I am subtracting 6. I am not distributing it in as multiplication. So that gives me my first answer of x over 2. Make sure you fully simplify it down. Do not stop here. You do need to continue with your simplification. Now let's look at g composed with f of x. G composed with f of x, g is your template. So 2 over something plus 6. That something you're going to plug in is your f, so 1 over x minus 2. So what we're going to do in this one is we're going to deal with the division of these fractions first and then add the 6 into it. And so this is really 2 divided by 1 over x minus 6. Writing it horizontally like this helps you to see that you need to keep it, change it to multiplication, and flip the second. Again, this plus 6 is just going along for the ride. Order of operations says you always do multiplication and division before you get to your addition. Now this right here, I can just write as x minus 6. Now this is what I distribute. 2 touching in parentheses would be 2x minus 12 plus 6, and then put those two together. So this gives me a result of 2x minus 6. Make sure you fully simplify, work that out. This is the correct answer. Full credit will be given getting to this point. Hope this helps with number 4.